Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I want to share with you an effective method that will restore the original appearance of white bed linen and any other white clothing. White bedding, t-shirts, underwear, towels, over time all of this turns grey, can acquire a yellowish tint, and of course you need to know how to wash such things. I'll wash the bed linen today. The pillowcase, as you can see, has yellowed. The duvet cover has taken on a slightly greyish tint. The rose print bed linen is still white, and I periodically wash this duvet cover this way so it doesn't lose its appearance. Take a container and put in it all the things you want to wash. I have 2 duvet covers and a pillowcase, so I use a fairly large basin. Next, turn on the water and wet the laundry. The water should be cold. Now take some laundry soap and lather the items you want to wash. While I am lathering up, let me tell you when this washing method can be used. First, if you want to restore whiteness to grayed or yellowed things. Any things. This could be bed linens, light colored towels, t-shirts or shirts. You can also use this method to wash dirty socks and restore the normal appearance of washed out panties and bras. This washing method is also suitable for very dirty clothes with stubborn stains. It is also perfect for washing kitchen towels. All stains and unpleasant odors are washed out perfectly. If the item is small, like panties, tank tops or t-shirts, then you just need to lather it up. If you want to wash duvet covers, sheets, large terry towels, then you will soak all this for a very long time, and it is better to use liquid laundry soap. Add soap to cold water, stir, and pour soapy water over all the things. Look, my bedding is completely covered in soap. And now it needs to be left in this small amount of water overnight, or better yet for 24 hours. Heat the water to 50 degrees Celsius. Add ammonia. Use 1 tablespoon of ammonia per 2 liters of water. I have 8 liters of water in my basin, so I add 4 tablespoons. Be sure to open a window or turn on an exhaust fan. I left the soapy bed linen for a day, and now it needs to be transferred to water with ammonia. I leave the bed linen until the water has completely cooled. After the water has cooled, rinse the things thoroughly. If you have a lot of things, put them in the washing machine. If you are washing underwear or socks, you can rinse them by hand. I add other linens to the bedding, so I will wash it with gel. If you are not adding other things, select the rinse mode. My bedding is already dry. Now let's look at the results of the wash. This pillowcase was heavily washed. Now it has clearly become whiter. Compared to the second duvet cover, the result is also noticeable. Both the duvet cover and pillowcase are white. This method really washes well and makes clothes several shades lighter. Just look at how yellow this pillowcase was before and what it looks like after washing. The result is magnificent. It's clearly much whiter. So try this method if you want to wash white bed linen, towels or light colored clothes. I hope you found the video helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Share your experiences and ask questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you in other videos.